white shark has a body language of its own, which we're only beginning to recognize. This inquisitive shark uses its It's supper time.
Scary, isn't it? Having your home destroyed around you. But your home can be rebuilt. Ours has taken thousands of years to grow. Without our forest home, we apes will become extinct. In your lifetime. And it's not just us. Thousands of other species will also disappear. An area of ancient forest the size of a football field is destroyed every 2 seconds. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That's bigger than France and Spain in the last 10 years. Rainforest timber like this is used on building sites, sometimes only once, and then thrown away. These doors were trees in Africa, our forest home. Much of it chopped down illegally by international logging companies. 1,000-year-old trees in Canada are destroyed just for stuff like this. Why destroy ancient forests for wood and paper when it could all come from responsibly logged timber?
He can't stop his ancient forests being destroyed, but we can. To keep the world's ancient forests safe for the animals and people that live in them, make sure the wood and paper products you buy have been certified by the Forest Stewardship Council.